Game na. Game na.
Hi guys. Hey, what's up YouTube? RJ here. Welcome to the vlog and you sneaker nerds. So today we're going to unbox the Yeezy Boost 350 Yesha. So let's go. So this is the box that we have. So let me try to unbox it for you guys. By the way, this is my second Yeezy. I got my first Yeezy Boost, which is the first colorway, which is Turtle Dove. I didn't know that they're gonna sell out and they're gonna be like super hype, but I give it to my brother. So shout out to my brother who got it. And this is my second pair of Yeezy. I never had Yeezy for a very long time, so we'll see what's all about. The hype that comes into it. Is it worth it to have it? This is the box of the Yeezy 350 Bluetooth Yeshaya Reflective. So, 1, 2, 3, what I look like. Hopefully it will not fall down. So 1, 2, 3. This is it, guys. It's there. It was good. It's the first time when I look at the Yeezy, I always think they're like a dwarf shoe that, along with the Snow White and Seven Dwarf shoe, they remind me of that. So as you can see here, it's very clean. I think it will go well with all your clothing and all the stuff. And this is reflective, so later on I will show it to you what it's look like in the dark when you flash the camera on it. Okay, so very good. And then let's put it inside the box. I will actually try to wear it for you. And then as you can see in the box, it says Yeezy. By the way, my size is 12. I have a decent sized foot. You can see here Yeezy Boost 350, and then the colorway is Yeshrep. Okay. This shoe has been released on January 25th, 2020. As you can see, you have a low top silhouette with a clean muted palette, predominantly white, light gray, accented woven prime knit, and the features a heel to core foot translucent stripe with the on par with many past releases of this silhouette, you know, the 350 V2. And then you have Adidas beloved boost cushioning, a cloud-like material encapsulated with the shoe midsole, unparalleled comfort for all-day wearability. So you can beat this guy down all day and you won't have any issue with your foot. Compared to other V2, this one doesn't have any pull tab. As you notice, this shoe is reflective. So Adidas and Ye released two versions. One is reflective and one is non-reflective. The reflective one is a bit more rare.
This is the closer look on the shoe. As you notice, very minimalist, organic looking shoe. As always goes with any clothing that you're gonna wear. This shoe is just gonna give you that vibe, standout vibe. It's amazing. It's 10 out of 10, no doubt. What do you think of this shoe, guys? You can comment down below, like and subscribe our channel. And then I will show you later on what it's look like on feet. It's amazing, amazing. Comfy, boost midsole, gum bottom. You can't go wrong with that, man. Amazing shoe. And they have an ortholite insole, that's a bonus. So you're just gonna wear it every day. Just wear it every day. Amazing shoe. And it's reflective. Damn, boy. Can't go wrong with this shoe, man. Amazing. Amazing. 10 out of 10. What do you think? For me, it's 10. Game over.